Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know to tune in right now to my Sheridan, Kentucky town tour. So I want to show you some stuff while we're here. Make sure you tune in right now. Spread the word. The CJ the Traveler Man is in Sheridan, Kentucky, and we're heading to our destination. So make sure you tune in every week. So like I said, to find out where we're at, this is CJ the Traveler Man signing out. Peace. Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped at the Western Kentucky Youth Camp. Yes, the Western Kentucky Youth Camp. We'll show you a little bit of stuff while we're here and also read the information real quick to you before we head down the hill. So like I said, there's some surprises, there's some things I want you to see. So other than that, it says the Church of Christ welcomes you, and then on that it's got Western Kentucky Building Strong Christian Youth Camp. So like I said, we're here at the Western Kentucky Youth Camp. And like I said, I want to take you down here and I want to show you some stuff. So like I said, there's also one thing I've been wanting to see since I found this park. So other than that, let's go. We're on our way, so let's go. Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. I wanted to show you something that we discovered on the road. It's here in Sheridan, Kentucky, which is a little bit outside of Marion. So I definitely wanted you guys to see this. It's one of the Noah Ark that they built, but it's for the young children. So like I said, it'd be something that you can see as you're here in the area. So I just happened to find it, found the location, and thought I'd let you see a little bit of this art. So while we're here, I'm going to show you a little bit of some other things you can do. It's in a camp. So as you can see on the sign, it says, what? 10 years and under. So I'm too big for that. And you know, but this is pretty cool. And I just thought maybe it'd be something interesting you guys might want to see. So if you're ever in Sheridan, Kentucky, definitely check this out. Yeah, you definitely can check this out. We're here. As you can see, kind of go inside as well. I mean, thought I'd let you guys check this out, see it. So get the little ones and go inside the art. Definitely go inside the art. That's the bottom. And then here's, I can't even see the top. But here's the top. So you can kind of walk around as you see. You can also, they got the ladder. So you can see the ladder right here that you can go up the ladder. And they have a slide. Definitely. And as if you can see, trying to hold a wheel, like you can see the wheel that's up there. So yeah, this is just something cool, man. Having to see it. They also have a seesaw for the kids. So as you can see, you got the seesaw for the little ones. Definitely. This is cool. I mean, really cool, guys. So like I said, I'll show you a little bit of the park area, things you can do while you're here. So other than that, this is CJ the Traveler Man, heading to the next location. Peace. It's another location right here. Thought I'd let you guys check this out as well. You can kind of like sit down in the area. So as you can see, like I said, there's some things you can do while you're here. Like I said, do speeches, or what I would need to do is a motivational speech. It's a little windy today, but I just thought I'd let you guys see this. I don't know if they're closed this week or what, but I just wanted to show everybody this little youth. It's the Western Kentucky Youth Camp. So they got some amazing things that are around the area as well. Especially if you were to do like a bonfire, which is this right here. Because you can kind of like do a bonfire right down here. As you can see, then you got the little benches that are in the area. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys see a little bit of something while we're out here. Like I said, it's something new for me as well. So like I said, it's cool. I'm gonna take pictures, and at the end of the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and tell me what you think. Like I said, this is a cool little area, and I just thought I'd let you check it out with me. So like I say, you're with me. And also, you see right here, it says the Church of Christ. Like a big, almost like water tower or whatever. Had to snap a picture so you guys can see that. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff. So, like I said, as you can see, these are kind of like log cabins in the area. So I just thought, like I said, I'll let you see a little bit. Yeah, here's some more. As like I said, I'm just kind of like filming it face-wise so you don't have to see my face. Just want you guys to see this in this little area. It's a pretty decent walk too. So it's definitely, like I said, if you're in the Western Kentucky youth camp, you will definitely see some stuff. So other than that, this is CJ the Traveling Man, letting you see. And remember, it's in if I pronounce it right, it's Sheridan, Kentucky. So I just thought I'd let you check it out with me while I was here and seeing something different. So this is CJ the Traveling Man, signing out. And like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Yes, like, subscribe, and comment, and share this with everybody. Like I said, the young kids want to see stuff like this, man. I mean, it's worth it. You can kind of see over in the corner that they are kind of like building some new sections over here. So yeah, they're starting to build a whole bunch more of a new section over here as well. So other than that, yeah. If you guys can get a good glimpse of it, like I said, you can see they're building a new section, and this is kind of the other one that we were looking at from across. And they also have, like I said, a basketball court. So you know, if you play basketball, you get the one and only Western Kentucky Youth Camp. They're in Sheridan, Kentucky, which is outside Marion, Kentucky. So this is CJ the Traveling Man, getting ready to sign out. But like I said, I just want to make this quick stop and let everybody see a little bit of stuff. So make sure you share, like, comment, and subscribe. This is CJ the Traveling Man, signing out.